What's going on, guys? The guy from Hayward that we were supposed to go meet, he hasn't been replying. He replied, said he'd be home in an hour or two. That was about like 1 o'clock. It's like a 2-hour drive, so we weren't just gonna drive out there. He never gave us an address. It's not really replying, so I don't know what that's all about. But as you see behind me, I rolled out the engine. I'm gonna start taking it apart, taking all this and transferring it to the new engine here. And that's pretty much all we got going for today. So without any further ado, let's get started. These tools right here, this is what you're gonna need if you don't have a gear stopper. So you make a gear stopper right there. Now it's not going nowhere. Well, getting that harmonic balancer off is gonna be the fucking... I just cussed. Nice. It's gonna be the last thing we do, because we can't do that while it's on the mount. It's not happening. Oh. Well, I dropped the clutch, so it's not a good thing.
I've never seen one, so I don't know what those marks are. Grinding gears?
No, I think it's supposed to be like that. This shit looks pretty cool, though.
Looks like a fucking cat's butthole.
No, it kind of looks like one of those fucking creatures.
Yeah, cat's butthole.
That's right. I like the colors, though.
I knew you.
Look at the pretty colors. Oh yeah, it smells like clutch. Well, we got a little bit more done today. We stripped both sides. We gotta get this front done someday. Probably gonna have to lower the engine for that one. Gonna have it sit on the ground, because that's not gonna work while it's hanging from this. Cleaning up some parts there. Got the clutch flywheel over here. Bagging everything up. We're done for today. I don't know what this kid's doing over here.
Fortnite.
Oh no. Look at this. Brought my remote outside. You died already?
Yeah, bro, the map didn't load in.
Sheesh.
Just updated today, bro. Construction.
Sheesh. Oh man. You're gonna be in the shot too. This is gonna be a 2-day video because I skipped a lot of today, and yesterday wasn't really much. But we just took the oil pan off after this thing, and
Yeah, it took a little bit.
oh yeah, we're not gonna talk about that, but
You rebuild the engine, all those parts.
damn, I got it all right here. Hey, that don't look too bad though.
Yeah, probably.
Ooh. I got a spring in there. Oh, I spun a bearing, it looks like. There's a bearing. Holy shit.
With the head?
That is yeah, that's the piston right there.
Yeah.
That's what all this.
Wait, let me see. Yeah.
Dude, look at that.
That's the piston. The push rod's still sitting there.
That piston is.
Oh yeah, that's good shit.
That's what blew up. The piston just. Oh, here's a nut. Cool. I need those. There's a piston ring, spring thing. Damn. This is like Christmas. Yep. I could go through it for days. There's nothing else in here besides piston. I want to see what the crank looks like. The connecting rod's still in there, right here. But there's no more nothing. It blew everything up. That's pretty sweet right there.
It's pretty freaking wicked.
Most people would be like really pissed off if this happened to them, but this is pretty cool. I've never opened a blown engine before. What you gotta say about it?
You done fucking cranked the anchor and it fucking
Nah,
spun the anchor.
Hey, look, I didn't do this, all right? I didn't do that. I just bought the car like that.
Whoever had it fucking cranked the anchor too hard and spun the fucking anchor.
Yeah. Alrighty, guys, we got started on this a little late. I have work at 5 o'clock. It's 4:30 right now, so I have to eat and shower, get dressed, and then head out to downtown. But we got the oil pan off that you guys saw already. The only thing left to do is get this off, get the harmonic balancer, and then from that we can wipe the whole front. Then everything will go from that engine to this engine here. And we'll have everything together. So hopefully we'll get it in pretty soon. Hopefully by next week we'll have it dropped into the car. That'd be sweet. But anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, I know it's a 2-day thing. It's kind of weird. Just getting started vlogging is super difficult, and it's a lot to know. It's a lot to think about, and you have to be constantly on it, constantly recording. And last night I went out and ate, came back and totally forgot about it, so that's my fault. But if you did like this video, please drop a thumbs up and subscribe. The support is greatly appreciated. It keeps me motivated and wanting to do this. It makes everything a lot easier. It makes vlogging easier, makes recording easier, makes the whole process easier. It makes me want to put more time into it. So if you guys did enjoy, please drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.